Welcome to today's video. We're diving into powerful car reset techniques that can boost performance, fix common issues, and save you money without even stepping into a mechanic's shop. These simple methods are often overlooked, but they can drastically improve how your car runs. So let's get started and give your vehicle the reset it deserves. Why car? Resets matter. Modern vehicles depend a lot on electronic control modules to manage everything from engine performance to safety systems. Over time, these systems can develop small glitches that may reduce fuel efficiency, cause performance issues, or even turn on warning lights unnecessarily. Performing a reset can help clear these minor problems, restore factory settings, and get the systems running smoothly again. The battery disconnect. Reset. One of the most common and easiest ways to reset your car is by disconnecting the battery. To do this, first turn off your vehicle. Then, disconnect the negative battery terminal followed by the positive terminal. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. After that, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Keep in mind that this method may reset your radio, clock, and some personal settings. 2. The ignition key trick. For older cars, this simple reset method works well for many older vehicles, especially those from Ford, GM, or Chrysler. It can help clear minor electronic glitches or display error codes without needing a scanner. Here's how to do it. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This is the position right before the engine starts, where the dashboard lights come on. Turn the key back to off and repeat this 3 times, ending with the key in the on position. In some vehicles, this trick may flash diagnostic trouble codes through the dashboard lights or even help reset minor electronic issues. While it doesn't work on all cars, it's a quick and easy trick to try if your vehicle supports it. 3. The fuse pull. Reset for targeted fixes. This method is great if you only want to reset a specific system, like your car's radio, air conditioning, or infotainment unit, without resetting everything else. Here's how to do it. First, locate your vehicle's fuse box, which is usually found under the dashboard or under the hood. Use your car's owner's manual to find the exact fuse number linked to the system you want to reset. Once you find it, pull the fuse out carefully using a fuse puller or small pliers. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This quick and easy reset can fix common issues without affecting the rest of your car's systems. 4. Limp mode. Reset. Limp mode is a safety feature in many cars, especially in brands like Volkswagen, BMW, and Ford, that activates when there's a serious problem with the engine or transmission. It reduces your car's power to prevent further damage and lets you drive to a repair shop safely. To reset limp mode, you first need to find and fix the cause. This could be low transmission fluid, a faulty sensor, or engine overheating. Once the issue is resolved, you can reset the system by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes, or by using an OBD2 scanner to clear the error codes directly. 5. Transmission reset. Shift points. This method is especially helpful for vehicles from brands like Honda, Toyota, and Nissan. To recalibrate the transmission control module, TCM, and potentially improve the smoothness of gear shifts, start by disconnecting the car battery for about 15 minutes. After that, reconnect the battery and start the engine. Let the car idle for a few minutes without pressing the accelerator. This simple process can help the TCM reset and adapt, leading to smoother transmission performance. 6. Throttle position sensor, TPMS, reset. This procedure can help fix issues such as erratic acceleration or poor fuel economy. Begin by turning off the ignition and disconnecting the battery for about 10 minutes. After the wait, reconnect the battery. Then, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This process can help reset certain electronic systems and improve overall vehicle performance. Press the gas pedal fully, then release. 7. Idle relearn process. The idle relearn process is essential after an ECU reset to ensure stable engine performance. To perform it, allow the engine to idle for a few minutes without using the AC, radio, or any other electrical accessories. Ensure the car reaches its normal operating temperature during this time. This process enables the ECU to recalibrate idle settings, helping to prevent stalling, rough idle, or poor engine response. 8. TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. reset. If the tire pressure warning light stays on even after inflating the tires, a reset may be necessary. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the recommended PSI as specified in the owner's manual or door sticker. Next, locate the TPMS reset button, commonly found under the dashboard or inside the glove box. Press and hold the button until the TPMS light blinks and then turns off. This should reset the system and clear the warning light. 9. Maintenance reminder. Light reset. This is a quick and easy method used to reset certain systems in many vehicles. Start by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, press the gas pedal all the way to the floor 3 times in quick succession. Finally, turn the ignition off. While this method works for many cars, it's important to consult your vehicle's manual, as procedures can vary by make and model. The confidence boost. Psychological benefits. Doing your own resets builds confidence, reduces anxiety, and makes you feel more in control. It turns car maintenance into an empowering experience instead of a dreaded chore. 11th, OBD2 scanner tools. Every car owner should consider having an OBD2 scanner. Basic models are affordable and easy to use, making them ideal for everyday drivers. Advanced models, on the other hand, provide detailed diagnostics and real-time data for those who want deeper insights into their vehicle's performance. These tools allow you to read and clear trouble codes, check sensor outputs, and monitor various systems, helping you catch issues early and potentially avoid costly repairs. Reset warning lights after repairs. 12. When you shouldn't reset. Avoid performing resets if your engine is making unusual noises, you're experiencing significant power loss, or if warning lights reappear shortly after resetting. In such cases, a reset might temporarily clear the warning, but won't address the root cause. Ignoring these signs and relying on resets can mask serious problems, potentially leading to more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. It's always best to diagnose and fix the underlying issue before attempting any reset. 13. After sensor replacements, always reset. When replacing critical components like the oxygen sensor, mass airflow (MF) sensor, or crankshaft position sensor, it's essential to clear the old stored values so the ECU can properly adapt to the new parts. This ensures optimal performance and prevents false error readings. You can do this by either disconnecting the battery for several minutes, the battery disconnect method, or using an OBD2 scanner to clear the stored codes and reset the system. 14. Clearing ABS and SRS airbag codes. Systems like ABS, airbag, and traction control are critical to vehicle safety. Diagnosing issues with them requires a professional-grade diagnostic tool, as many standard OBD2 scanners won't have access to these systems. It's important to complete all necessary repairs before attempting to clear any related codes. Resetting without addressing the root cause can compromise safety and may prevent proper system operation in an emergency. 15. Factory reset before selling your car. Restoring a car to its original factory settings is a smart move, especially before selling or transferring ownership. It removes all personal data, wipes saved Bluetooth connections and radio presets, and can even help clear long-standing error codes. This not only provides a clean slate for the next owner, but also gives them added confidence in the vehicle's condition and history. 16. CVT logic reset. Continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, are designed to adapt to your driving habits over time. To reset the CVT logic, commonly in vehicles like Nissan and Honda, you can follow a simple procedure. First, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Then press the gas pedal fully to the floor 3 times. This process prompts the system to reset and begin relearning your driving style, which can help improve overall performance and responsiveness. 17. HVAC system reset. If you're experiencing AC problems, such as poor airflow or incorrect temperatures, a simple reset might help. Start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for about 10 minutes. After reconnecting the battery, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the AC system to recalibrate itself, which can resolve minor issues and restore proper function. 18. Steering angle sensor reset. The steering angle sensor plays a crucial role in supporting traction control and vehicle stability systems. To reset it, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then center the steering wheel and hold it in that position for a few seconds. This procedure is especially important after performing a wheel alignment, as it helps ensure the vehicle's stability systems function correctly. Mastering these simple reset tricks can make a big difference. They can boost your car's performance, prevent unnecessary repairs, save you money, and empower you with valuable DIY car knowledge. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with other car owners who might benefit. Have your own reset tips or experiences? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.